Have you ever heard of instant camera, Telegram? Yes, talking about Instagram, second most used social media. Facebook stayed on the top. Hi guys, what's up? We again welcome you to our YouTube channel, VS Codes. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. You got your Instagram pages, might be posting a lot of images, videos with your family, friends, etc. More. Some of you also got business accounts, right? Yeah, most of you got business accounts, creative accounts, public figures, and a lot of features you get on Instagram. So I know you might have also got greed of ढेर सारा comments, million followers. Not that easy, huh? Okay, now let's move to verified accounts that blue ticks. Pretty much blue tick. Have you ever wondered if you should also get this blue tick on your account? Or it is beyond your imagination? Is it? Yes, people like us, not so popular, neither we create TikTok nor we dance. How could we get our personal badges? Okay guys, open up your computers, laptops if you want and follow us. अगर blue tick चाहिए तो.
Motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D.